What's up, guys? Back in the garage working on another piece of shit. This time it's not mine. This is this guy's car. Same exact. It's just a 89 model, but dual cam swapped. But still got the pig nose. So we're swapping out the diff right now for a welded one. After that, I think we got to put stock seat belts back in. Oh, and tie down the battery. And once we do all that, we'll be ready for Riverside tomorrow. So this is Riverside prep for Riverside Road 3. There's a wasp flying around. Yeah. Where's it at? Oh! Ah! Your hat's kind of covered in brake clear now. It's like launched. It's latched on your hat.
The wasp is?
Yeah.
Leave him there. I'll rock him tomorrow.
Oh well, he's dying slowly. I hate wasps. I'm allergic, so had to be done. All right, so got the diff out. Now we're gonna crack it open, drain it, because we gotta put this cover on the other diff. And yeah. This is how much wire goes into hanging an exhaust, apparently. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a lot. So we got the diff back in. He's fixing the exhaust right now. Battery's tied down. I was working on the seat belts because his harnesses aren't approved. And I quit because I couldn't get the shoulder belt back in. So I was like, fuck it. But I did find a chip. So I guess things aren't too bad. Alright guys, so I have you mounted on my helmet right now. If you can't tell by that. Everything's pretty much done. Just putting the seat back in and putting the car back on the ground. And then once the car's back on the ground and out of the garage, we're gonna start packing up all the tools, fluids, tires, and we should have a pretty good time tomorrow. Right now it's about a little bit after midnight, about 12:15 or so. So hopefully we can get this all done in the next 45 minutes and take a shower, go to sleep. All right, and it's morning. Got plenty of stuff done last night. Dallas's car is ready to go. My car's on trailers, strapped down already. Just gotta load up all the tools and fluids and stuff, tires, pretty much head on out. All right guys, made the Riverside, unloaded the van. Car off the trailer already. Already got tech inspection. Dallas passed tech inspection. He's putting a big ass O'Reilly sticker on his car right now because he works there. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. You're like a pro. You gotta pull out the card.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like a pro. All the air bubbles.
Yeah. Have all the air bubbles. All of them.
This is Rick's sticker.
Yeah.
So while he's doing that, I'm gonna unload some tools. I'm gonna go ahead and change out these wheels, put my SC wheels on. All right, I had to take the beanie off. It was getting too hot, so I made a headband out of a t-shirt sleeve. But got the wheels changed. My wheel bearing's actually going out. There's some play in it, but you know, this is me, so I'm still gonna send it. Aired tires up to like 70 psi. I actually was able to put my stock handbrake back in there just to lock it on the trailer. I think that's it. About to go to driver's meeting here in 5 minutes. All right, just got done with the driver's meeting. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hood off because it's seriously hot out here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my sunroof out too. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm about to go on track right now. I got this headband on, it looks ridiculous. So, by the way, helmet mount now. So I got in-car view. It's probably not gonna be as great as out-car view, but at least you know it'd be me sliding. So yeah, next time you see me, I'll be on track. That wasn't too bad for my first run of the day, so I guess I'm doing all right. Wheel bearing still scares me a little bit, but still gonna send it. taking my mom out for the first time. This should be fun. Shut off.
Think it's the battery?
Oh, fuck. Oh, the wire popped off my ignition coil, and that's why my car just randomly died. So, temporary fix. I just zip tied it, made sure it was tight and it wasn't coming off. So hopefully this next run I'll be able to make it all the way through. Let's see if I can do this without my car dying. Official Dirty 13 helmet now. Alright, so while I'm sitting here, I'm probably gonna end up doing a couple more runs and then calling it a day. I'll film the qualifying, but my wheel bearing's starting to sketch me out a lot, so I think a couple more runs. I'm gonna try to get good ones, and then I'm gonna call it a day, start loading up. Alright, so this is the reason I stopped early. Remember when I showed you what the wheel was doing on the RX-7? Well, mine's doing the same thing. it's bad. I tightened the axle nut up and everything, and it's still shaking, so that bearing's gone. So I guess there'll be a video on that soon. Put the 17s back on and load it onto the trailer and probably get some footage of the competition. So I'm not able to film the competition right now because I gotta load up and make it home. I got a little puppy that needs attention. So right now we got the rest of the tires in the van, car on the trailer, canopy's down. So I just gotta load up a couple more things, tie down the car, and then head out. All right, and we're off. We are heading home finally after a long day of drifting and sun and 101 degree heat index and sweat. Kara's burnt. I'm clearly burnt. So that'll probably conclude this video. Make sure you give it a like, thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share, whatever, comment, like, subscribe, all that. Show it to everybody. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Laters.